In this video, I'm exactly going to show you how to change your Facebook Messenger language. If you don't want the current language that you've added in, which in most cases would be English, so if you want to change this language, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now there is no option within the Messenger app to change the language. Even if you open up the settings of your Messenger, you would not find any option of changing the language. So to change this language, what you need to do is change the language of your entire phone. Only then your Messenger language will be changed. So you'll need to first head over to the settings of your phone and then open up language settings. If you don't know where it is, you can always search it on the search bar. Mine is inside additional settings and language and input. Once you land on the languages that your phone provides, you can just select the language that you want to add in, and the language of your entire phone will change. Once that is done, you can now just clear the Messenger app from the recent tab and then open up Messenger again. And as you can see, the language now has been changed, in my case from English to Spanish. Your language also would be displayed according to which language that you choose. So that's all for this video. If you guys liked this video and found this video helpful, if this video did help you out, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up.